Car number 3 here I have here a 2007 Volkswagen City Golf. Today I'm going to give you all a full and in-depth review on the City Golf. We'll start the engine, show it off, go some performance details, and show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. So, without further ado, I'm going to start it up, let it run. It's a black exterior with black fabric interior. It has 129,000 kilometers on it. It's also a 5-speed manual. I have a 2000 and a 2006 Volkswagen Golf on my channel already if you want to check it out. Fire it up. I think there's an exhaust leak on this one. ABS lights on. Fires right up. I can hear that. I don't know what's wrong with the exhaust. I think there's a leak under it. Very tight power steering. It's kind of hot in here, so the air going. Nice. 5-speed manual. Push down, over and up for reverse. So, just going to put on the headlights as well as the hazards. And we'll check out the exterior. Exhaust leak? You have an exhaust leak, eh?
Yeah, I know.
The ABS light's on too, eh?
Yeah. Bring it in this week.
Lucas, right? Patrick. So Patrick, your ABS light's on and you have an exhaust leak.
Thanks, man.
Why is it so loud? You bought it like this?
Yeah.
You bought it used?
It was a little bit used, yeah. 14,000.
You didn't buy it in 2007.
Sorry?
You didn't buy it in 07, right?
End of 07.
Oh, the end of 07, so it was new.
Yeah.
Here's your alloys. Yeah, it's an okay car, but I mean, it's a hatchback. It's pretty small.
Yeah. I don't really need a big car anymore.
Yeah, I got scratched there.
A little bit.
Rear brake lights up the top. Finally getting around to doing another Golf. It's on the side. Exhaust. There's a leak under it, so it's got to go in to get checked out. ABS lights on as well. Hood. Got the 2-liter 4-cylinder. Washer fluid. Batteries under this cover. And we'll shut her up. Lockable fuel door. And we'll do the interior now. Do a review on the interior. Power door locks, power mirrors right there, your door handle, power windows, window lock, trunk and fuel cap release, your storage, full manual driver's seat, manual tilting steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and see how that 2.0 4-cylinder, how that engine sounds. No warning. We don't have no warning lights on the dash. We just have like shut up, door chime. We have an engine light and an ABS light on. Sounds a little bit loud, but you know what? At least it revs kind of okay. Revs a little bit slow. I mean, it's okay, but she sounds a little mean. She sounds like a little ricer. Let's open the door. Huh? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I can hear it. Open the door so you can hear the engine. That's my phone ringing. That's enough for this one. I don't want to rev it too much. Anyways, we'll shut it up and we'll check out the inside. Let's do the interior, okay? Easy to use climate control. Air conditioning, recirculation, temperature, your fan speed, and your different zones. Front defrost. And rear defrost is up here. 5-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger, even on this side as well. Your 4-way flashers, air vents, get the air going. You have your AM/FM radio here. It's on CD at the meantime. It's original to the car. You have your 6 preset stations. It's a 5-speed manual, like I said. You have your cup holders down there. Your e-brake. Manual dimming rearview mirror. Interior lights. Signals here, your indicators, wipers. We have an engine light on this one. I don't know why. You have your headlights right here. Lights up like a blue in color. Over here, you have your tachometer, temperature, fuel gauge, as well as speedometer. I think that's pretty much about it in the interior. Well, it's pretty much basics, nothing really interesting to see on this one. Alright guys, so check out the back seat now. We're gonna check out the back seat. The windows right here. This car needs a new exhaust.
Now, with it being the last day of school for most kids in the city, I'm asking you, what was your favorite part about summer vacation as a kid?
The sun.
There's your interior light.
Biking around town, everything.
You had no care in the world.
No.
No.
As a kid, you just get off school and it's like, I'm free. And then you're a teenager and you have to get a job, and then you're an adult.
Oh, and then it all goes down.
This car's junk. Anyways, we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. The car's kind of loud.
That's for sure. Give me a call, 416-870-EDGE. Best part.
Here's the trunk. Man, you can hear this thing. It's so loud. Here's your jumper cables there, heavy duty cables. So whenever a car goes dead, you could use it from this car to another car. Just use an example. Man, this thing's a little loud. You got a tune-up as well? Hey, Patrick? Yeah. Then why is it so loud then? I don't get it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Your exhaust is bad. I mean, there's a hole in there. It's probably leaking. Is there a hole? Is there a hole in the exhaust? Probably, yeah. That's what you could say. Power windows, door locks. I didn't get the plates. It's your storage. Full manual passenger seat. Dan is just kidding. Don't worry. Oh, it's nice and cool now. Why does your seat slide up? Your glove box. You can also set 2 drinks there if you want. Ocean handles. Look at that. Volkswagen. Gotta love your Volkswagen. Even though it has an exhaust leak. Ah, man. This car is mean. It's a meaner Volkswagen I've ever heard in my life. Because I have 2 Golfs on my channel and I reviewed those 2. More than that loud. I did a 2000 and 2006. Same as this one, even a 5-speed manual. Yep. But I don't know why this one's so noisy. Alrighty. Move on to the next car. Shut her down. This one needs to get a new exhaust. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth review on the 2007 Volkswagen City Golf. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care everyone.